Okay, it was two, you all call them yellowbirds, but they're not, that's not the true name for them, but they were cleaning, up the flowers right here. They were here for about a good 5 minutes or so. And then they cleaned the ones up on the curb down there. Um, and then they flew up over that way. So let's see what their message is. Remind you, they were trimming up the flowers, cleaning them up, okay? So what's the basis? Let's get a basis. That's the basis. Now let's get some more. That way, this way.